Today we're going to program a number guessing game. In this number guessing game, the program will allow user to enter a range of values by entering the lower end and the upper end. After entering this lower end and the upper end, the user can now can guess the number. So if the random number chosen by the program is equal to the user's guessed number, you're going to win, and if not, you're going to lose. And upon that code, we're going to make some few more improvements as well. So let's get to the point now. First, you don't need these comments. Let's delete those comments. First, you need to import a module called random. After importing the random module, this will randomly choose between a particular range of numbers. So let's tell the programmer, let's say number guessing game. So it's our name of the game. Now let's allow user to let's ask the user to enter range of values, and let's input the lower end and the upper end of the values. Let's first initialize a variable. Now variable is equal, the lower end variable is equal to the lower end spectrum. Let's say enter lower end, and for the upper end we're going to change the values upper end. Okay, and now we have to typecast this to integer so that the lower end value will be an integer instead of a string. And then we have to choose between this range a random value. For this, random number equals random module dot randint dot for the lower end and the upper end. And let's now begin the process. Let's assume user has a limited number of chances. No, we don't need number of chances here. Let's assume while true. So now let's ask the user to input a guessing. Let's say first let's tell the user the game is going to start. The game begins now. Start guessing. Now let's ask the user to input. First initialize a variable called random. Guess is equal to input guess the number, and we have to typecast this to integer. Okay, this is enough the program to run. So if the user guessed the number correctly, if guess is equal to the random number, the program will go into output. You have chosen the right number. Now before we go into run this code, let's print out the actual random number we're going to generate for our convenience, because we can't guess all the this. We have to comment out when the game actually runs. Okay, now let's run the program. Enter the lower end will be 1, upper end could be 20. Yeah, because for debugging purpose we have printed out the random number before running the program, so it is the random number is 16. So if we enter a different value, it doesn't know what to do, it's just continue the loop. 3, it doesn't know what to do, it's going to continue the loop. But as soon as we enter the correct number, I guess it said you have chosen the right number. Yeah, so what should we do about the numbers that we are choosing that is actually wrong? We have to input something. Okay, let's say elif guess, say random number. So it's not, it says guess is not equal random number, print you have chosen, your answer is wrong, your answer is wrong, try again. Likewise. So let's restart the program. 1, 20, the random number will be 70. Let's write your answer is known. Now it knows what to tell you. 3, your answer is known, try again. So let's say we actually assume it is 70. You have chosen the right number. This is a very simple game. Now we have to comment this out, so we are going to play a game. So let's have a little bit fun. Let's say I want to have a number in between 1 and 5 to make it easier. So let's guess the number 3. Yeah, 3 is not the right answer. It is not no longer shown because we have comment out the debugging line. It's 2. 2 is not the answer. Let's think. I assume it's 5. No, it's not as well. It's 4. It's not as well. What the hell, man? It's about, yeah. The one is the right answer. You can improve upon this code. You can add the limited number of let's say chances, and after the limited number of chances it's going to tell that you have used all the chances, you cannot no longer play the game. Likewise, this is a very simple representation of the game. If you have any suggestion, please make sure to comment down below. If you want this code to be much more complicated with the chances as well, I might be making a video on that topic as well. So thank you for watching.